guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Tayo here. If you're new, thank you so much for coming to watch my video, and I hope that you like what you see. If you do, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also the bell so you'll be notified of my videos. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back to watch another video today. So today I'm going to be sharing with you my little dainty LV mini pochette. I just love it. It's so pretty, very dainty and cute. I used to look at this as a baby bag. I've seen a lot of people carrying it, and I just said, oh, why are they carrying such a tiny bag? Does that bag belong to their daughter or something? But then I just really fell in love with it, and I started watching videos. Really, you can put a lot of things in this bag. For instance, if you're going for a meal or a drink or a coffee and you just want to carry your essentials, you don't want to carry a very big bag so that you don't have to start searching or looking after your bag. You just want something really tiny that can fit into your pocket. This fits into my coat pocket. This is really lovely, and you can put quite a lot of your essentials. You'll be surprised at the number of things inside this bag. So let me just tell you more about it. So I got it in the monogram print, and then that's what it feels like. And also it's got the leather part, and this part actually turns darker with time. Yeah, and I've also got it personalized. I just picked the design. So yeah, it's a really lovely mini pochette. Let's open it and see what's inside, shall we? So I'm starting with this Tarte lipstick. So this is a very tiny one. It's from Tarte, and I can't remember what it's called. I said the name. Pink. I wear pink lipstick a lot. I'm sure you know that by now. Also, I've got my eye pencil. This one doesn't have any name. It's got the sharpener on top as well. I've got my Fenty highlighter. Let me show you. I've forgotten what it's called as well. Sorry, I can't remember these names, and I can't see them because I haven't got glasses on, so I'll just set them. I've also got this Estee Lauder, I think it's Estee Lauder, yeah. It's called Rain, lovely perfume in my bag. I've got another Fenty product. So this is the Fenty lip gloss. I absolutely love this lip gloss. Ever since it came out, I don't think I've bought any other lip gloss. And I also have it in the smaller size as well. Absolutely love them. They're very nice. So I've got the bigger size in my bag. I've got my comb. I can't fit a brush into this, but I can use a comb in case I just want to straighten my hair, or I just want to deal with my edges, and really edges, put them into place. Yeah. I've also got hand cream. Every girl needs hand cream in their bag. So I've got this one from Oriflame, and it's called Secret Gift. I think this is their Christmas edition. I've had this now for about a month. One of these ladies, Oriflame representatives, comes around to my house, drops a magazine, and I tend to find a few things I really like. So I really love this hand cream. I've had it for a while. It's almost finished, but there's still a little bit left, as you can see. I've got my cards. I've got some cash. I've got my brush. So this brush, I think I've spoken about it on my channel before. It's a really nice brush, and it actually is really my phone. I'm just gonna have to wait. Yeah, so this brush is very soft, very soft. It's not endorsed by celebrities. One thing I noticed that when some of these brushes are endorsed by celebrities, they become really expensive. This one is not endorsed by celebrities, but it is really nice. Very soft. I use it for my highlighter. I use it for my forehead, my nose, even my what do you call this now? My eyelids. My eyeshadow. Yes. As well as this mascara, Benefits Bad Girl Bang. This is my go-to mascara now ever since I started using it. This is in the small size. I like it because when I use it, it looks as if I've got lashes on, and yeah, I use it all the time. What else? I've got some hair bands in case I decide I want to put my hair up, and I've got another little perfume from Polo, Ralph Lauren, and this is the bag. It's empty now. This is what it looks like inside. so I picked that color. And then yeah, guys, what do you think? Such a tiny little bag with so much. And if you decide not to put makeup, you can put so many other things in it there. It really does take a lot of stuff, but you just need to know how to arrange it so that the zip doesn't look a bit wonky. So guys, that's it really, and thank you so much for watching. If you want me to do another video of what I also put in this bag apart from makeup, let me know and I'll be so willing to do that with you. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.